Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel How To. In this video we will see that how we can create another YouTube channel with same email. So first of all click on your profile icon or your YouTube channel icon. So then go to setting. You can see at the bottom, click on setting. Then this is your old channel, for example How To. Then there is option add or manage your channels. Click on add or manage. So it is loading. So now there is the option create a channel. I have two channels already, so create a third channel. For example, it will ask for email ID. You have to log in into your uh, Gmail account. So I have already logged in. You can see here already logged in, so it did not ask. If it asks, so you have to log in. Make sure that your Google account is logged in. Then you change your account name here. For example, I want to change this channel. Create. Then it will take some time and you have to enter further details of your channel. So your channel is created now. You can uh, set other things about your channel. So what you have to do, view your channel. Okay, switch account and then it Excel master, for example. So this is the channel. Then click on view your channel. So now you can customize this channel. You can add profile picture or logo and cover picture. Continue. Here you can do branding of your channel, profile picture of your channel, banner image of your channel, or video watermark, whatever you want to do. And here you can add basic information, handle, description, what this channel is about, and other links or contact information. Here you can set your channel layout. So this is all for now. Thank you. Subscribe for my channel for more videos.